Hello guys, it's your boy Manny Hernandez here, and we have amazing news. The new Forsage in the Tron blockchain, it's ready, and I'm going to show you right here exactly how it is that you can exchange your Ethereum, Bitcoin, or whatever crypto you have for Tron, the new TRX based version. And then I'm going to show you how to register into the smart contract right here, right now. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is download, if you are on your PC, is Tron link. You download the Tron link, and this is what you're going to use. Now, if you are on mobile, you will download Tron Wallet or Token Pocket. I like Token Pocket better, so download Token Pocket. Either or should work. Now, it's very simple. If you are on mobile, do not swap using the Tron wallet system. You will come to Simple Swap, simpleswap.io. This is the easiest way. Okay, so if you have MetaMask, or you have Trust Wallet, or if you have any other wallet, you can use this to transfer into the new. So if you are on PC, Tron link. If you are on mobile, you will download from Play Store that Tron wallet or Token Pocket. Okay, then you will simply, let's go ahead, and you will come to Simple Swap, and it's very simple. You can come here and you can pick your cryptocurrency, BTC, ETH, and let's say that I want to transfer Ethereum for Tron. So I pick Ethereum on the left, I pick Tron, TRX, let me search for it, Tron on the right, and it's gonna tell me how much it's gonna send me. So I'm gonna pick my Tron link. So when you download, Tron link looks just like MetaMask. It's quite similar, right, to use. So I'm going to copy my wallet. You copy the wallet right here. You see this little icon right here? And if you have multiple wallets, you can change multiple wallets here too, but you copy it right there. Now that wallet is on my clipboard, my Tron wallet, because I want to go from Ethereum to Tron. So I will enter my Tron wallet here, and this exchange button will appear. Just click that and watch the magic happen, guys. The system is giving you a brand new Ethereum wallet now, not a Tron wallet, an Ethereum wallet, you see, and it's gonna be highlighted. So you're gonna copy that to your clipboard. Now I can go to my MetaMask or Trust Wallet or whatever you have your crypto, and then you just send. You just do a regular transaction. I want to send it to the address that we just received from Simple Swap, and I'm going, in this case, I'm going to send 0.5 of ETH, right? And then once you enter the balance, just click next. They're gonna verify that everything is good, and then you just hit confirm, and that's it. Just like that, now the system will transfer Ethereum, and you will receive this amount on TRX. Now, be patient. This process can take up to an hour, maybe depending on the amount, an hour and 20 minutes. So don't worry about it. It can take some time. Now, since we already have some Tron locked into our wallet, I don't have to wait for this transaction to finish for me to show you the next step. But don't worry. That's all you have to do. It's done. You can sit down and watch it, and you will see that it will continue to go through the process, and eventually it will be finished. It can take 1 hour top for that bit to happen. Okay? So with that out of the way, now we are ready to get registered. This is how the new registration page looks like. Please make sure that you go back to your MIC back office and you get the link from there, or you get that from your sponsor. In your MIC back office on the top right, you can click meet my sponsor. You can reach out to him, ask him if he's going to join or not. If not, you can come with under one of the leaders, but you have to be in the MIC family. You gotta, in order to qualify for the bonuses that we're offering to you gotta be under the MIC family. If you came from another team and you have been just using the resources available from you, but you know that your sponsor was never inside MIC, then now is the time for you to right your wrong and come under somebody who is a true MIC family member. Okay, this is very important. So once we are here in the registration page, all you have to do is just click the automatic registration, which will bring a similar transaction just like you see right on MetaMask, for example, and then you just click accept. As you can see, we got a notification, very similar to the old registration process, actually much more advanced and much more improved, if you ask me. And we're going through the registration. Now we have to wait some time for everything to be verified. So we need to see, it doesn't tell me how many transactions needs to happen. Let me refresh the page real quick. But we will see, we will wait and see how long does it take to get into it. Because I am going through this, I am registering my account, guys. You know, I am recording the process, right? Trying to be as transparent as possible, as humanly possible through this whole process. I know that these transitions can get messy, guys. Believe me, it's not our intention. It's never the intention of anybody here to do this type of transitions, but you know, when they come, we have no option but to wait and do what we're told. You know, there's no other option around this, you know. So we are better in this new blockchain, we are better here, so we should just focus on the positive, and then, you know, there's you cannot make everybody happy. That's the problem. I try my best. Once we are here, you see that the system works perfectly. You see that we are back in our back office, you know, everything working. You know, you get your ID, you get your link, and you gotta get to know how everything works. A lot of improvement at first glance of how everything works, but it's very simple. Forsage Gold coming soon. Very exciting. So as you come in, if you are seeing this, you know, you may want to come and join. So in the first comment, I'm going to post my link. If you want to come under me, in my first comment, you know, for all my team, in the first comment, I'm going to be placing this link, you know, and if you want to come, you already know how to do it. So, but there's amazing stuff happening. And remember the offer, all the value that you get in the first 7 days, I pay you back. So everything that you unlock, I pay you back with the traffic, the full USD value. If you want to learn more about it, go back to my previous video where I explain everything about the offer, and we're going to continue to talk about this throughout the week. But right now it's important to get this information out so that everybody, my team leaders, my hustlers, my hustle gang can get locked in. So click on the link on the first comment and you will be able to join forces with your boy Manny Hernandez. And as I always say, remember, it's not about the money, it's about the freedom.